before going to the new topic, I want to ask you a few questions on yesterday's topic. Are you ready for that? Yes, children? You can unmute and you answer the questions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, English already.
Yes.
Today already.
Yes. Those who know the answer, you have to raise the hand, okay? Or you can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and you can give me the answer. Tell me who was getting married? Who was getting married?
Pattu's brother.
Pattu's brother. Very good. Very good. So, with what had Pattu decorated Toto lovingly?
Garland.
God. Yes, tell me again.
Garland.
Ah,
Flowers and garland.
very good. Flowers and garlands. Good. So you can write, you can tell garlands or flowers. Now, how did Toto look after the decoration? How did he look after the decoration?
Grand.
Grand. Yeah. Very good. He looked grand. Okay, fine. Now, what did Pattu want to show Toto? What did Pattu want to show Toto?
Village.
Very good. Very good.
Decoration.
He wanted to show the village. What type of roads did the village have? What type of roads? Dirty. Yes. Dusty. Yes. Very good. So the roads are dusty, dull, and dirty. Very good. Okay. So now see, children, what is our today's topic? Today we are going to discuss about the map. You can see a map below. Okay. Here, the people, they wanted to go to the different places. They wanted to go to the different places. And let us see how they will reach their destination. See, the people, first you look at these people. What are they doing here? Can you tell me? What are they doing there? They are, tell me, look at the screen. What are they doing? Sitting. They are sitting on the, tell me, they are sitting on the bench. Very good, very good. Yes, they are sitting on the bench. And here, you can see a man, he's riding a bicycle. Here, mother and a child, they are walking across the road. And here also you can see father and daughter. And here two more persons. And you can see some places also there. Here, you can see a building, okay, a house, and a park, like some playground. Okay, so children, these are the places where the people want to go. Yes, Veda? Veda, why do you raise hand? You have any doubt?
I want to say the answer.
It is not unmuting, ma'am. It get muted. That's what we raise the hand. You're asking the questions, no?
Okay, okay. Mayuri? Okay. Yes. Now see. So here, these are the people. They were going to different places. Now let us see here. First, let us see this mother and a child. Ye- Yes, children. Now see here. Let us take the first mother and a child. Now they wanted to go. They wanted to go to their house. They want to reach here. Or let us see, house is so far. So let us take this ground. Okay. Now there's people, the mother and the child wanted to go to the place. Okay. So how they have to go, you tell me. You can unmute and you can tell me. They have to
go
huh, they have to very good, very good. They have to go straight to reach the place. Yes, very good. And now, listen. Yes, now you see this two persons. You see, look at this. Look at these two people. Look at these two people. Now these two people, they wanted to reach the same place. This place. They wanted to reach the same ground. Let us think that this is a playground. This is a playground. So these two people wanted to go to the playground. So how they have to move? Can you tell me? First they have to tell.
They should go up and down.
No, they have to first they have to go little straight and then turn right. Yes?
Yes, yes.
Yes, children? They
Turn
have to,
right
and then go
they
straight. And
should go down.
yeah, they have to go straight. And now you see here, these two, father and a child, they want to reach this building. They want to go to the building. So how they have to go? Can you tell me? First, they have to come straight down.
And they should go like this.
They have to come straight down. See, they have to walk straight down. Then what they have to do? After coming to the straight down, what they have to do? They have to take a right turn or left turn. Yes, beta, tell me what they have to do. Right turn. Yes. They have to,
Right. Right.
they have to take, yes. Then they can again they have to go straight to reach the house. Clear?
Yes.
Now these two people who are sitting on the bench. Now let us see these two people who are sitting on the bench. These two people, what they want to do? Now these two people want to reach the same playground. How they will reach? Come on, tell me.
We should go straight left side and take down. And
Which turn? Which turn?
and down.
This is which turn?
Granny come.
No, no. This is which turn? You have to tell me. Right turn or left turn? You have to tell me. After going straight, what they have to do?
Left. Left.
Is it left or right?
Left. Right.
Right turn.
Left.
If they start from here, we have to take a right turn and then again take a
Down. Right turn.
yes. Right
Right
turn.
turn.
And you can call this
And
U-turn. U-turn also you can call. This is in the U shape, no?
ma'am.
Yes.
ఉత్త పెట్టినా ఇట్లా అంటే అంటున్నట్టు పెట్టనా
Ma'am.
ఇట్లా పెట్టినా
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. So now where we are, go straight, take U-turn, U-turn, and then take left to reach the playground. Children, did you understand the way we are using to reach the places which are shown on the map? Yes? What do you see when you come out of your house, Ansil Raj? In front of your house, when you come out of your house, what will you see?
I will see road.
You have a road. Okay. So if you stand in front of your house, to your left hand side, can you see anything to your left hand side?
Yes.
What? Any
Right.
special place? Like garden or zoo or temple or anything like shop?
Bakery.
Bakery is there. Very good. So bakery is to your left side. Okay. Next one, right side. Can you see anything? Right hand side.
Petrol bank.
Very good. Petrol pump. So if you come out of your house, if you want to go to the bakery, which turn you have to take? Left turn, right? Because the bakery is left side to your house. So you have to take a left turn. Coming out of your house, then take a left turn, then you can go to the bakery. Yes? Okay. Now Veda. Veda,
Ma'am.
can you tell me what will you see, any special places around your house? Can you tell me any special places around your house?
Special places ఏమన్నా house. Old age home.
Old age home. Okay. So if you want to go to your old age home, which is very near to your house, how you will go? You have to, can you go on foot? Can you walk?
With walking.
Okay, walking, that's fine. On foot.
Yes.
Okay. But which side you have to go? You will come out of your house, then you have to take a right
Straight.
turn or a left turn.
Left.
Left turn. If you go to the left turn, you will be finding the old age home. Are you able to see the old age home if you take a left turn?
No.
Then
But we
You
will
have-
go some straight.
very
We should
good.
go some straight.
Very good. Okay. So we have to go little straight. Then you will be finding. Tarini,
Yes.
Tarini, can you tell me any special place are you able to see around your house? Any special places which are very close to your house? Any park, any temple, or any other places?
No.
No. Okay. So when you come out of your house, what you will be able to see? Nothing? Okay, fine. Tanvisri?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, Tanvisri, any special place around your house, around your home or house, your surroundings? Tanvisri?
Yes,
Can,
ma'am.
can you tell me?
What, ma'am?
Any special place can you see around your house or near to your house? Like temples, parks. Now you have heard no Veda, Bhanu Manved, and still who? Like Ansil Raj. They have shared no that what they can see when they come out. Temple is there. Okay, what? So if you come out of your house, you'll see a temple.
Yes.
If you want to go to the temple, how you have to go? You have to go straight, or you have to take a left turn or right turn. What? How you will go?
Straight.
Straight. If you go straight, you will be seeing the temple, right?
Yes.
Very good. Fine.